Hi everyone, today I will show you how I made this beautiful small mandala. I have made this on an A5 size paper. First I have drawn this inner circle and simple flower like petals. Then I made this long petal and inside I am filling simple straight lines. As you can see, the pattern is very simple. Simply you have to put straight lines in diagonal way and fill the entire space. For the next, what pattern we are drawing is, we will make square petals, more kind of rectangle petals, and we will double line it. After that, we will draw two vertical lines in the center and draw this henna pattern. I like to call it henna pattern because we can mostly see this design in mehendi and hennas, right? Again we are repeating the same pattern. We will draw the henna and after that we will add 3 circles and fill the entire space with ink. For the next pattern, we are drawing two different designs inside the same line. Okay, for the first design we will make this square petals and double line it. After that we will take a bud and then we will draw two henna on the adjacent sides. After drawing the two henna on the adjacent sides, we will take a small bud and draw small petals like this. Repeating the design once again for you. We have drawn two rolls on both sides and taken a bud and then drawn small petals to fill up the space. For the next design, we will take one bud and simply draw these long petals. You can see the size of second petal is shorter than the first one and likewise for the rest of the others. After doing this, our design is almost ready. We will fill this space with black ink and we will simply put tiny little dot to fill up the space in our second pattern. This way our next line will be ready. For another pattern, I have again drawn rectangular petals which are a bit broader than the previous ones. We will double line it as earlier and then what we will do is we will take a small bud. We will draw two vertical lines and two rolls on the adjacent sides. After that, we will draw small petals in falling pattern. I'm showing it again for you. We have taken two buds and then drawn two vertical lines. After that, two rolls on both sides and then petals in the falling pattern. It can be a bit tricky. So first drawing it with pencil and then using ball pen or gel pen or any pen you wish to above it is beneficial. Now we are moving on to our fourth pattern. In this pattern we are again opting for rectangular petals and we have double lined the petals, and as you can see what we do is we will draw two rolls which are now kind of horizontal. Previously we drew vertical ones, but we are drawing in horizontal way, and then in center we will put a bud and we will draw lotus flower on top of it. For you to understand well, I have shown it again. We have drawn two rolls, double lined it, taken one bud and then drawn lotus flower above it. This pattern may look a bit difficult, so as I said earlier, using a pencil to outline first and then using your ball pen to outline it will be beneficial. We have drawn two circles on both sides to make it look a bit prettier. Now we are filling the space of the previous pattern by using this dotted method. In this method, we will simply put tiny little dots into the empty space to fill up the area. If you want, you can also solid fill this area using black ink, but I wanted to go for dotted pattern. And for our last line, I'm using this black marker pen to cover the entire area with black ink. Simply, it is very easy and yet it enhances the pattern that we have drawn inside the petal. So as you can see, I have almost completed this beautiful small mandala, and we are in our last stage of tutorial as well. If you liked this tutorial, please let me know. If you want more of this, also let me know. And at last, I'm putting this date and my signature on the art piece, and this is our final mandala drawing. Thank you so much for watching.